Well, here are the dinner plates from Royal Doulton in Arcadia. 8 of them, as you can see, very clean stack again. Let's just readjust this camera so we can show you a flat surface of these and the china marks. There we go, 10.75-inch rim diameter, rotated rib wall mouldings on the wide rims, and then this beautiful transfer printed floral design from Arcadia and Royal Doulton. Absolutely beautiful. Occasional knife mark on the surface. They're not in absolute as pristine condition as the dessert plates or the dessert bowls, but it's quite often the way that the dinner plates get used more in the service than the smaller plates or bowls. There's the Arcadia H4802 Royal Doulton crown and lion marks, and they're beautiful things, aren't they? Nice 3 blockwork of that floral design. It's what I describe as a very sort of open, stylised floral design, not artistically or horticulturally accurate. It's more the impression of those flowers, isn't it, with that openness in the colour palette that they've used as well. Really nice things. We've got 8 of these, 8 dessert plates, 8 dessert or soup bowls, and some other pieces coming through which I haven't gone through yet, so I can't actually tell you about because I don't know. But do have a search through on the Royal Doulton Arcadia search phrase in the website if you're looking for a specific piece and not one of these 8 very splendid dinner plates. Thanks for watching.